Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Chris filling in for Jamos, and today we will be doing an unboxing slash mini review for the PlayStation 5 Slim Digital Costco bundle. Alrighty, so upon opening the box, the first thing you'll see within this bundle is the extra controller that it comes with, the DualSense charging station, and of course, the console itself. As mentioned in the beginning of this video, this bundle in particular is offered by Costco for roughly $460 after taxes. However, there are two other bundles, one being the physical Slim bundle that will run you about $520, and the other being the Pro bundle that will run you about $830 after tax. With the difference being, the Pro bundle does include the most recent upgraded PS5 model and a gray camouflage controller rather than the matte black you see provided in this bundle. For this unboxing, we will be putting the second controller to the side, as there will be a controller we will be going over once we unbox the console itself. However, we will be going over the DualSense charging station as it's exclusive to Costco's bundle. The DualSense charging station is a self-contained charging station for two controllers. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Upon opening the box, you will see that it does come with an instruction manual, an AC adapter. Now with the AC adapter, this does mean that you will not have to connect this via the USB port on the PlayStation console itself. Alrighty, now we will be unveiling the console itself. And just like any PS5 console unboxing, the first things you will find is the AC adapter, and you will also find the HDMI cord, as well as the USB-C cable, standard white finish controller, There will be the prongs to have the console stand up. And last but not least, instruction manuals for your PlayStation 5 and the console itself. Alrighty, as you can see laid out, this is everything that comes with the PlayStation 5 Digital Edition Costco bundle.
So now I'm just going to show you the difference between the Slim Digital and the original one. So obviously it's going to be a lot slimmer and lighter. The ports have changed. So on the back and the front, as you see, you have two USB-Cs on the front, one super speed and the other one's for charging. And then you got two USB-As on the back with your original HDMI and Ethernet. So that's basically all that's changed for the design of the console.
Alrighty, for the next part of this video, we actually will be going over how to install the horizontal prongs that come with the PS5 Slim console. For it to stand vertical, you will need to pay extra for a vertical stand, and it is sold separately.
So now I'm just going to show you up close where the prongs go. So as you can see, it's nestled in between the two panels. There's holes there. The prongs go in one way, and that is the triangle part and divots inwards towards the console, the center of the console. So it goes on the left and right side, and basically this is what will keep the console stable when in the horizontal orientation. So just showing you kind of where to place them, and then I'm going to place them in that section.
Alrighty, now we will be getting into installing the prongs. So to install the prongs, as you can see, they are both in a triangular shape, and they will face inward towards each other towards the center of the console. Alrighty, and with the installation of the prongs onto the PS5 console, it is sitting about roughly half an inch above the surface.
Thank you, Chris, for helping me out with the unboxing of the PS5 Slim. So this is everything that comes with the Costco bundle, and it's on sale right now for the holidays. I don't know how long this will last, but this is everything that comes with. I'm going to do more videos in the future on the Slim console, and I'm definitely going to do a video comparing the Pro version with the Slim version, as there are now two SKUs, and of course the Pro is a little controversial because of the price hike. So I'm going to go over, is it worth your money? Should you get the Pro? And if you do, what will you get out of it? So this right now is just a Slim. I'm going to do a little more in depth on it, how to upgrade the SSD inside, what's the difference between the original PS5, other than it being a little smaller, as you can see, and the differences internally, how efficient it is, and all that. So stay tuned for those. I hope this really helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on those videos as I go over more in-depth content for the PS5 and maybe even the PS5 Pro if I can get my hands on it. But I will definitely do a video comparing the two and letting you know which one is more valuable, or is the Pro worth the price hike. So I'll catch you in that video. Until then, have a good day. Peace.